good, ladies and gentlemen? You're welcome back to the studio. Welcome back to World Wave Radio. Yeah, today I'm going to show you how to stack vocals because I noticed that a lot of people make mistakes when it comes to stacking vocals the right way. Sometimes people send me instrumentals or maybe vocals, but that aside, I'm going to show you how to stack vocals the choir style when maybe you want to record like a mass choir and you don't have a mass choir, how to do it. Let's go into the door. And today I'll be using Logic Pro, but you can use this on any software of your choice, any software you see fit. And the beats I'll be using for this tutorial is not mine. The Rhythm and Cooler is a song produced by Fields, and I co-wrote the song for GPE, Global Partnership for Education. Yeah, so I co-wrote the song and I did a choir thing that, I felt like it's really nice if people could know how to do it. Sometimes you want to sample a song that you want the song to sound like it's a choir, doing the thing. So yeah, let's preview and then we can. It sounds like this. Put it in your hands and you.
From the back, come on, sing it. Let's go. To bed and take out you need. Come on. 1, 2, 3, go.
Yeah, so that's how it sounds. So to record and this was all done. See how many layers I have there. There's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 layer. First of all, know what you're going for before diving into it. No any extra effect, nothing too crazy. So let's go over it one by one. So the secret to doing like a stack vocals is always like, especially this type. The secret is always for you to have different format, because if you have maybe 6, 7, 8 persons in a place doing a song, they are definitely going to sound different. Even if you tell them to sing the same thing, even if they have the same voice, their tonality will be different. So that's what we're trying to achieve. Since it's just one person trying to do multiple takes, so it needs to sound different. If you see, put it in your hands and you. Okay, so let's go over the vocals one by one. This is my lead.
So raise your way to build the future you need. Raise your way.
So what I did with that one is I layered that one the same, not the same melody, but different take.
So raise your way to build the future you need.
I mean, we'll hear some funny sounding vocals, but yeah, ignore the vocals and focus on the main thing. So I dropped another one.
So raise your way.
Okay, yeah, so this one, I just changed the same tone, the same melody, but I just changed the format like it's another person singing it. So let's hear that one.
Raise your way.
Yeah, I think I got raise your way. So it changes the way it sounds. I think I had to sorry, I got the flu. I think I had to block my nose to do that one. Then this.
So raise your way to build the future you need. Raise your way.
Yeah, so that one came in. So my 3 parts, the alto, tenor, and the soprano, I did those ones. And then I changed the format, doing the same part, but doing it differently. You might try covering your nose, try holding your throat while you sound like this, so it sounds like someone else is doing it. You know what I mean? So you could try that. You could. Okay, yeah. Did some falsetto. So, but if you listen to everything with this, it's still.
So raise your way to build the future you need. Raise your way.
I think this is where most of you guys stop when you're trying to achieve something like this. This is where you stop. But yeah, I'm the king of new wave. I don't know to sound cocky or anything. Okay, yeah, it's crazy. But yeah, if you stop here, you're fine. But let's see. I wonder what else I did because it's been a while. I wonder what else because Left to me, I'm supposed to stop there. Okay. Okay, yeah. So try to see my pan, try to see how I pan my stereo imaging. I'm not going overboard with anything. I have this left and right all the way, hard right. I have some, you know, not hard left, hard right, about 42%, for Logic. I think that's about 50% for other this thing. Yeah. So 42-35, not because if you have people singing in a place, you don't say, oh, I want you on the left, I want you on the right. No, they sing. It's just that we hear this from here, we hear this from here. So it still comes like this. It's not Dolby Atmos. That I think I should talk about Dolby Atmos next. So if you want me to talk about Dolby Atmos, please let me know in the comment section. I'll be good. I'll be sure to talk about it in my next tutorials. Yeah. So I did that part. Okay. Um yeah, so for the falsetto I created two other formats. I think this time I held my throat so it sounds different from the original. And then yeah, I still did some. Okay, yeah. So for this part, I wanted it to sound like the person was singing um from the back of the choir, not in front. So, where's your way to build the future you need? Not a regular part. Just play around with the parts, and it has to do with your knowledge. Your musical knowledge will help you in doing stuff like this. And this I have about 31 plus pan left and right, 31 plus and 31 and 30 negative. And then after that, I added the lower notes just to give it that, those people now. Like if you've ever been in a choir, there are some people that they always stay at the back. They are the lower note guys, so they can't really sing. So there's a way I'm sounding, but it adds to the beauty of the song. It adds to the melody. It's not about it's about the unification of the vocals. If you see, there's no vocal overlapping one. There's no one jumping. I don't want it to jump. It's about that. It's about the timing, and it doesn't have to be perfect. You just have to get, because what I was going for here, because obviously I wasn't the one that was going to sing it. They were still going to, this song has Tenny, Ricardo Banks, and yeah, and all of them on this song. So I wasn't doing it like this was what they were going to use, but apparently they used this, with they used these vocals. I'll be sure to leave a link to the song below so you can listen to it and you would hear my voice saying, come on from the back, come on, sing it. So because after doing everything, I wanted to give it that life, like I invited people to my studio to sing it. So it sounds like this. So raise your hand to build the future you need. Raise your hand. I hear your voice from the back. Come on, sing it. Raise your hand. Let's go. To make the change that you need. Raise your hand. Come on. 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah, pretty much that was that about that. I did this part. I added. Then it came out pretty well. So yeah, if you want to stack vocals, the rule of stacking a vocal is that you leave room for the lead, ensuring that the lead is still, see the lead right here, is still making, doing everything that it needs to do. Just is all about the space. You want to leave the middle for the song. You want to leave space for, I don't have everything. I don't have them fighting for the same space. Some I have all the way. Some I have like this, because this is how we listen to songs. Apart from the Dolby Atmos, as I was saying, that you can hear it. You can hear the song here. You can hear it here. You can hear it here. I'll be sure to explain that in my next video. I think you people should know. I want you to be updated as you could be. So If you are new to this channel, please leave a comment, subscribe, like the video. Let me know what you would want me to talk about next. And if, yeah, pretty much just share love. Let's invite more people to learn. Let's all learn together. If there's something you would want me to cover in my next video, let me know. Peace.